Ever wondered how to receive Solana tokens from friends using Phantom Wallet or participate in Web3 experiences that require sharing your address, all without compromising your privacy? Let's get straight to the point. Finding someone else's Phantom Wallet address generally requires receiving it directly from them. It's crucial to understand that wallet addresses, while seemingly public, are linked to a person's digital identity and transaction history. Sharing them without consent is a big no-no and a serious breach of privacy. The safest method for obtaining another person's address is by having them share their QR code or copy and paste their public address directly to you via a secure messaging app. Ask them to open their Phantom Wallet, find their receiving address, and then share the QR code or the address itself. Always opt for secure communication channels like Signal or WhatsApp with end-to-end encryption. Avoid sharing sensitive information like wallet addresses on public forums or less secure platforms. Remember, building a secure and respectful Web3 ecosystem means prioritizing consent and privacy, so only request or share wallet addresses when it's absolutely necessary, and always with explicit permission before you engage with any platform or share your wallet's public address. Carefully review their privacy policies. By respecting others' privacy and taking precautions with your own, you contribute to a safer, more trustworthy Solana ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Web3 security tips.